Hi class, this is a little screencast about how to create a QR code. As you saw in the article, QR codes are great things to provide shortcuts for students to get to different web resources. You can post them around your classroom, and if you have iPads, um, the students can just open up their camera, look at the QR code, and it will immediately launch whatever resources you want the code to go to. So we're going to be using this site. There are other places to generate QR codes, but this is a very easy one called qrcodegenerator.com. So basically, you'll see we're going to be going to a website, but you could create a QR code that simply generates an email, or a QR code that give somebody your business card, but website is the most common. So I'm going to paste in a URL. This happens to be my Twitter feed. You notice on the right over here it's kind of grayed out, but watch what happens when I click this green button to create QR code. So it generates it, and over here it's just a random set of pixels that is a shortcut to a website. So then you click here, download JPEG. They're going to try to get you to sign up for some other stuff, but just like QR Code Generator Pro, you don't need that. But as it says up here, its downloads will start in a few seconds, and sure enough, down here it is downloaded it. If I go here, I'm running Chrome, which is probably, if you want to recreate this experience exactly, do that. And I click open, and sure enough, there is my QR code. So the second part of your assignment is going to be to put that QR code into a Google Doc. So I'm just switching over here. I've got a Google Doc open, and imagine this is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper that you could put up on the wall of your classroom. So you have some text giving context of what they're going to, and then you simply go to Insert, Image. In this case, I'm going to upload from my computer. And I've moved it from the downloads to, I believe, oh, here it is, frame.png. And I click Open. And there it is, simple as that. So then when you print out that page, it will have that image on it. And if you have, I think it's starting with iOS 11, any iPad within the last year or two, all you have to do is look through the camera at that image, and the camera is now sort of a QR code reader, and it will say, hey, do you want to go to this website? And you say yes, and it will. If you have an earlier iPad or some other mobile device, you can get these free QR code readers, but that's not as necessary as it used to be. So create a QR code. You can go to any place. Maybe it goes to your Google site or whatever you want. I just want you to get practice with how to create the QR code and then embed it into a document that you can print out and put in your classroom. Okay, good luck.